weeks about strange sounds being heard in the atmosphere. People around the world and here at home have reported hearing some.
It came in many forms last Sunday night. To some, it sounded like trumpets. To others,
Make it back of caps. Bink. Because we've got a bit of a YouTube mystery on our hands. This video, there are some strange and eerie sounds in the forest. And the sound repeats. Listen. From Sweden, Hungary, Costa Rica, all with similar strange sounds.
What?
Викликом землі та швидко записали їх до чергової ознаки близького кінця світу. Усі користувачі...
Ми в четвер 11 числа вранці 5-6 ранку на Борщагівці теж чули дивні звуки. Заснути неможливо. Я живу в 3 хвилинах від місця. Коли чув цей звук, згадав фільм «Монстро». Ледь у штани не наклав.
Це якраз той двір, у якому було зроблено загадкове відео.
Emergency officials in Lower Bucks County have also received numerous calls about a large boom.
So far, no explanation of what happened here, but it really got the attention of a lot of people, even Salem reporting that they felt that their homes were shaking. Police radio have received a lot of calls. The police have received calls.
I know it's coming from there somewhere.
It was just so intense, and as a result of that, I got involved. I contacted the Ministry of Environment to find out what the issue was and to find out what they knew about it.
Watch the lightning. Keep watching the lightning. That is them. They come down in capsules, riding the lightning into the ground, into the machines, right?
You hear that? We're getting the hell out of here. Get in, get in, get in, get in!
Hey, were you on that plane?
In the early years of the 21st century, that the way a man with a microscope might scrutinize the creatures that swarm and multiply. With infinite complacency, men went to and fro about the globe, confident of our empire over this world. And unsympathetic, regarded our planet with envious eyes. And